Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm at the airport. I've just picked up my S10 Plus. Just going to give you a quick unboxing. I do apologise if there's a lot of background noise, but I wanted to get this out of the way. I've got the 128GB 8GB RAM Prism Black model. Now, just by opening the box, that looks so slick. So S10 Plus, check that out. That is looking amazing. You've got the triple rear camera setup there. The front display, going to be turning that on in a second. Let me just put it down to the side. In the box, you've got the plug. You have the USB switch adapter to transfer all your previous phone's data and apps and all that kind of stuff to the new one. You also have the AKG headphones here. They're the wired ones. Now, one thing I really like about Samsung is that they always come with a headphone jack. There you can see right at the bottom. And then in here you have the USB charging cable, Type-C. So pretty standard stuff in the box. The box design actually looks quite good as well. So everything just fits into place. And I'm now going to go ahead and turn on the device just to see what the display looks like. But I'm going to be giving you a full review once I land at my holiday destination, and make sure you subscribe to keep an eye out for that. But just a quick look at the display. So there you have it, guys. You can see the awesome looking display on the S10 Plus. You can see the wallpaper as well. They tried to hide the double front camera there. A lot of wallpapers that come with this, so I've got another video coming out to show you some really cool designs that go with the double lens on the front, so keep an eye out for that one. So the last step is, of course, to take off this protective layer, like so, and then there you have it. Now it's ready to use. So I'm going to be recording the full review of this fairly soon, so make sure you subscribe so you won't miss that video. If you have any questions about this phone, then drop a comment below. Otherwise, I hope you like that unboxing, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.